Okay, I've done a few things already that were kind of boring, I'm sure, to watch. So, stuff that most people already know how to do in Accela. So, I'm going to do something now that I think might be pretty interesting for somebody to learn. Um, what I need to do is now this is production over here. This is test, which is I'm moving things from test over to production. So, one thing is this custom field is new. Well, it's not new, it's just I'm renaming this into this. Now, there is no option here. Well, here's the thing. I could delete this. I don't want to do that because I want the existing records that have this field to also change over to this new name. And if I delete this, the old records will still retain that information that's in there. It won't delete the transactional data, but it will still be called that. And I need that name to change for scripting purposes. So what I'm going to do is I developed a um, little tool that I'm going to use to let's see, so I can find it over here real quick. Yeah, I call it JCCAL script tester, copy from custom field to custom field per record. So this is basically the description of it. Allows you to copy values from one custom field to another inside records. So you can run this in script tester, you can run it as a batch job, either one. And so what you need to set up are these, everything above here. The group, the type, subtype, category, and then the copy value from this custom field to this custom field. And also, if there's anything that is a different data type, let's say that you got a checkbox as the old custom field type, and you have a yes, no as the new custom field type, well, you can't copy checked into a yes, it doesn't know that that's what that is, so you got this translate thing. So this is basically the first index of this array, and the second index of this array matches the first index and the second index of this array. It'll translate it from that to this. It's not optional, or it's not required, so I could just leave this empty as an empty array, and there'd be no translation issues. So let me take a look real quick and see what this is a subdivision case record type. Let me see what that looks like. Because the wave fees field is a yes and no. Here we go. Subdivision case. So this is I'm just going to go into the custom fields. Is this fee exempt? Yes, no. Okay, good. Let me take a look at it older. I'm going to go ahead and start setting this up. Planning. Oh. Okay. And the name of this field is called, I'm going to go, I guess I'll go here and see what Okay. Yep, it is still yes or no. I just want to make sure. Yep, is yes or no. So, and the name of that field is this fee exempt? Is this fee exempt? Yep, no, that matches. And I'm going to copy these values to a new field called waive fees. So what I need to do is I need to add a field called waive fees. Yes, no. It is going to be required. I'm going to make it searchable. Now, why isn't it required here? It needs to be required here. Alright. So, it's required. It's no here. Alright, then it's going to show up on existing records and everything. Alright, so now that I've got that in there, I'm going to run this script and script test. Alright, so this is fee exempt, and since the data types match, I can leave this in here. So let's run it first and see if I get any errors. There's only like 130 records, so it's not too much. Oh, 226, yeah. Okay, so it didn't actually do it yet, because I have this on rollback, but if I want to, commit this, then I'll just do that. And run it again. Alright. So now I can, so let's just check it right quick. Let me go back to this record again. I'm going to reload. And if I look, we got both of those fields. This is the exempt and waive fees. Both have yes. So that copied the data from one to the other. So that has no and no. So now I can delete this old field. We've gotten very good. Change this to 10 just to look pretty. And that's it. That's what you gotta do. Alright, thanks for watching.